So I have the ZVE1. What's that? Me. So I'm just doing a short video showing off the ZV1 outside with the PavoSlim FX3. The cool part is I can control the light from the app. I'm using the Shogun Ultra with the EL zone, and I can see it with green, gray, so I have the right exposure. And I have the new MixAssist by SoundDevices, 2 mics. And this is just a short video to test out the piece of software. So I'm going to move that light over there. So the ZV1 is now recording behind the scenes on my little monopod, just to show I have a good exposure. I'm going to just do a short video. So this video is going to show the EL zone system. Hopefully I can get it to look good, but I'm at a distance. So this is outside, sunset, almost dark, showing off the EL zone system. Hopefully showing off the EL zone system. And I have MixAssist. So MixAssist should pick up this mic. Hopefully in the back, the little ZV1 will show this. Hopefully the MixAssist is showing this. We are outside, and I'm just trying to do a quickie video because I have the new MixAssist. Now, showing the EL zone system, it is gray, yellow, no green, oh, little green. So I should have good exposure. Now, if I have the MixAssist, it should pick up this mic, hopefully, because it's closer. And then if I walk away, it should pick up. Let's see if this is on. So it should pick up that I am now recording with the lavalier mic by Sony, going directly into the Sony FX3, outputting to the MixPre 3. The ZV1 is now tracking me, and we are at near sunset, becoming dark. And if I go over to this mic, it should now do NoiseAssist. We have NoiseAssist on channel 1 and 2, car just drove by, and we also have MixAssist. So MixAssist should be getting this mic, and then when I come back over here, it should pick up that mic automatically. I'm going to put my hand over this mic. So this is the AKG C314 with NoiseAssist going into channel 3 on the SoundDevices MixPre 3. We have MixAssist. So hopefully MixAssist is picking up this mic and not the lavalier that I have on my chest, which I'm covering up. The sun is going down, but we have the NANLITE PavoSlim 120C. I did a color match, and it's at 5700, which is what I set the white balance on the FX3, and I put 5700 on the PavoSlim by NANLITE. This is just a short video showing the NOGA Cinema Arm 32-inch. I can use it for a holding my mic, and we're showing off or listening to the AKG C314 with NoiseAssist and MixAssist. I'm going to walk over here. Hopefully the ZV1 sees me. ZV1's tracking me. I can see myself over here on the Atomos Shogun Ultra. I have the Sony Lavalier mic with the COS11D with the Bumblebee little wind thing. We have the ZV1. Let's see, I don't have time code on that. So I just want to see if I can match it up. And this is the AKG C314 going into the SoundDevices MixPre 3. I have my Sennheiser headset on. I can hear myself pretty well. What I should do is make this the right channel and make this the left channel so I can hear the difference. AKG 314 on the right side. So I'm not sure if that's working or not, but we're just doing a short test outside at sunset using the Atomos Shogun Ultra for EL Zone system. And it looks like we are now overexposing, so I'm going to turn down the light a little bit. Yellow, yellow, and now gray. So that's what's cool about using this link right here. My face is blue, so I'm going to bring it up a little bit. Let me see what happens if I meter up my face. So I see my face is yellow. Green in the bottom, yellow. See what that looks like. So we are using Sony FX3 going into the output into the Shogun Ultra. We have the NANLITE PavoSlim. We have two mics, the AKG C314, and we also have the Sony wireless just to do a test to see how MixAssist. The people are driving home, coming home from work, so it's becoming rush hour. And the ZV1 is hopefully getting okay behind the scenes footage. And I just want to see how this edits in Premiere using a couple different pieces of software. So we can do two pieces of software to edit it. And that's what I'm going to try to do. So this is this Walter outside at sunset, well, almost nighttime, doing almost like a live telecast, but headset and two mics. So I'm going to walk over here and see if this ZV1 follows me, which it is. So the ZV1 should be following me, and that is sort of cool. So the ZV1 is following me for behind the scenes. I have the little AI robot, and it should be pretty cool. Hopefully it's eye track focusing me. Okay, this is just a quickie video. So if you like this type of content, like always, please like and subscribe. And we should have, that's about it. Let me get out of here before I get hit by a car. Thank you, bye.